Welcome to the Master Setup tab tutorial. This is where you'll configure your essential account information and preferences before you start tracking your trades. Everything you enter here will flow through to the other tabs automatically, so let's make sure we get it set up correctly from the start. This tutorial applies to all template versions. The Master Setup tab is the control center. The main areas being configured are the broker list with starting dates and balances, profit target levels, buying power percentages, and preferred time format. Let's walk through each section. Customize the year list in column A to whatever year sequence you need to track your data. This will determine the filter list that is displayed on the dashboard. Now let's look at the broker list in column C. Here you'll enter the names of your trading accounts. If you have multiple accounts with the same broker, each broker name must be unique. The template uses these names throughout. If you open a new account later, just add it to the next available row. Next, we have the starting date and balance columns. These are crucial to enter correctly to establish your baseline for each account. If you are entering balance information for an account that has open positions, you have two options. You can either do the math, taking your current cash balance and adding the total purchase price of your open positions using the FIFO accounting method, or you can backtrack and enter all your trade information for every trade you've performed with that broker. It depends on how many trades you have and where you want to start tracking from. The target levels let you set your risk and profit goals. You have 1 stop loss level and 6 profit target levels. The target columns on the Trade Entry tab will automatically calculate your exit prices based on these percentages, giving you a quick reference for your profit goals. Enter these as whole numbers. The Buying Power Percent column lets you specify what percentage of your account you want to allocate per position. These values are used on the Dashboard tab to show how much buying power is available at different risk levels for the broker account selected, based on the available funds in the account. Enter these as decimals. Finally, we have the time format selection. There are two options: 12-hour format with AM and PM indicators, or 24-hour format. Choose the preferred time format now and don't change it. If it is changed later, any times already entered will remain in their original format unless manually changed. This can create inconsistency and confusion in your records. The custom scripted time selector will automatically provide the time format chosen for time entries. That's it for the Master Setup tab. This is the foundation for your template tracking system. Once completed, you're ready to start using your template. If you are a business tier user, watch the next video where we'll dive into the Timesheet tab and show you how to log your work hours with the intelligent time selection system. After all, if you're entering trades, you're working and need to be logging that time. If you are a personal tier user, you can move on to the Trade Entry tab video and learn how to log your positions.